What's up, guys? It's your boy D Fresh in the building. Guys, I hope you out there enjoying your weekend, but you already know what tomorrow is. It is Monday. It is ready. It's time for us to get back at it, get back in our bag, and make that bread. Before we start this, let's see if we got anything that will rock the markets. And as you see on Monday, we have U.S. leading economic indicators. That may give us a little boost up, may give us a little boost down, but we know how to treat data when it comes out. We sit back, we chill, we wait for a direction, and then we get on it. Before we do that, do me a favor. Go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get that notifications. Guys, we're going to go ahead and start it off with CAT. Guys, I put this on your radar when we were somewhere around this 389, 390 range. And you see what we done from that point. We ran that thing all the way up. We got to 394 and then we chopped and then boom, ran that thing up to 397.10. So they had a little pullback. But guys, any of these plays, when you see profit, you take profit. I had a $400 tag on this one right here, but we ran that thing up almost $7-8. And you know, whenever you see good profit, eat on it, take off from it. Greed is what kills the portfolio. Never forget that. Always take some profit out. And this gave us a little rinse and repeat. If you a sniper and you going in there, you seeing that we coming back down, get in on some puts. That thing came back down a little bit. It ran that 200. You see my white line, that is the 200 EMA. And you see what happened after that? They got this big green candle, boom, ran that thing up to 396, got rejected, couldn't make it to 397. Anytime they start testing highs and they start getting smacked down from those previous highs, you know what's going to happen. They're going to come down, and you see that white line, when they break through that 200, look what happened. Boom, they gave you another buy-in opportunity to get in. I told you guys that didn't make it in on that first trip, 392, 390, 389. We want to get back into this play and ride it back up. And if you see what happened, boom, 394, they respected the 200. They came down a little bit, but we're currently sitting at 393.85. If you are a bull, what you want to see 394.55 get taken out. They can take out that. They're going to slowly start to try to push in here. If we start getting in that 395.40 range, we coming back to 396.75 to try to run it up to 397.10. If we can break through 397.10, we're going to see $400. But guys, make sure you got that risk management in check. That way it protects you against things when it goes left. If you are a bear, what you want to see 392.80 get taken out. They can take out that right there. They coming down to this stuff right here around 390, and then red flag out there once you see 389.90 breaks, because they may try to start pushing this thing down to this level right here at 387.01. You can make money both ways in this play right here. You just got to respect what's going on. Next ticker up, we're going to do Tesla. They are currently sitting at 220.70. If you are a bear, you want to see this shelf level right here get taken out at 321.10. They can break through 321.10. Boom, they're going to run it up to these tops over here at 321.55. And then ultimately, you want to see where they kept getting smacked down at 322.20. They break through that right there. You got your next level, 322.70, and then they can start running. They've been getting smacked around at that level right there. If your next level up would be 224.25, and then I got an area of interest at 225.95. They break through that, they're going to start headed towards that big round number at 230. If you are a bear, you want to see 220.40 get taken out. They can take out that right there. Boom. I got an area of interest at 218.85. A little turbulence. They break through that. Hello, you're going to start seeing this level, 217.90, and then boom, they coming back down to 215.80. They start getting up under 215.80. They're going to start setting their sights on 210. All right, next ticker up, we're going to do XOM. We are sitting at 120 even. If you are a bull, what you want to see is 120.20 get taken out. They can take out that level right there. Boom, we come into 120.65, and then they're gonna slowly start trying to boom this thing back up to 121.55 before they start the breakout. If you are a bear, what you want to see is this chef level right here at 119.85 get taken out. They can take out that. You got these bottoms right here at 119.60. They break through that, your next level down is going to be this stuff right here at 119.10. They break through that, you coming down. They're going to start taking this thing back down. Next ticker up is going to be IWM. They're sitting at 225.65. So if you are a bull, what you want to see is 225.90 get taken out. They can take out that. Boom, they run into 226.30. They break through that. They're going to slowly try to break this area up in here. You want to see 227.10 get taken out. They can take out that. They're going to start trying to climb that ladder, but expect turbulence at 227.10. They expect them to get smacked once they reach that area right there. They may overshoot it to 227.20, but if they start breaking through 227.20, they go into the next leg up. So pay attention to that. Keep that on your radar. Keep it in your notes, whatever you do to make sure you able to adjust when you see these plays going left. All right, if you are a bear, you want to see 225.40 get taken out. They can take out that right there. They coming down to this stuff way down here at 223 even before they start falling off the planet. That is IWM. Next ticker up is going to be Nvidia. Newbies and beginners, if you watched the previous video I put out yesterday, I gave out the newbie plays in that video right there, but I do have something for newbies and beginners and anybody else that's interested in that play at the end of this video. Stay tuned. All right, guys, and Nvidia, if you see they're sitting at 137, well, let's say 138. These guys are looking very bullish. Doesn't mean the trend can't change, but if you are a bull, you want to see 138.20 get taken out. They can take out that. They're going to run this thing back up to this high up here at 138.70, and then it's going to be choppy, but they're going to try to run this thing all the way back up here at 130.90. Ultimately, you want to see 140.25 get taken out before they start booming it up in here. But guys, if you know we've been teaching tweezer tops, man, if you just pay attention to simple formations that I put out, and I try to teach and train a different candlestick formation every Saturday. So if you see this candlestick formation, we've been beating this in for probably a little over a month or a month and a half, but look at this money making opportunity. Once you've seen that forming, you see that is a classic tweezer top. And what happened? Boom. And you got a even easier one to read right there. If you took that play at 140.85, you ran that thing all the way down to 137.40. That is good money right there. If you are a bear, you want to see these bottoms at 138.90, 137.90 get taken out. They can take out that. Here's your next level right in here at 137.45, 137.25, and then they start losing 136.90, you coming back down to 135, and they're going to try to run it lower. All right, guys, next ticker up is QQQ. They're sitting at 495.50. If you are a bull, what you want to see is 495.10 get taken out. They can take out that. You got 495.50. They start breaking through that. They running up to this level right in here, 496.50. Expect turbulence once they hit that. You may get some pullback. If they lose that right there, they're going to try to shoot their shot for 500. Make sure you're paying attention to that and react accordingly. If you are a bear, what you want to see is these bottoms at 494.10 get taken out. They're going to shoot it to 493.75. You start losing that area up in here, 493.20. Hello. Boom. You coming back down to 491.20 before they start trying to fall off a map. Next ticker is going to be MSTR. Guys, I'm just throwing them out this morning, getting y'all ready for tomorrow. They're sitting at 215.90. If you are a bull, what you want to see is 218.65 get taken out. They can take out that area right there. They ain't got nothing on the left of them. They gonna start booming this thing up. They can run this thing all the way back up to 227.20. Jot that on a notepad. and watch that thing play out. If you are a bear, what you want to see is 213.85 get taken out. They can take out that stuff right there. You got this low stuff at 208.10. They start getting through that. You got another area of interest at 205.10. Break through that. Boom, you're coming down to 196.95, and we'll handle that one in real time. Let me circle that one right there. That might be a play that I jump into tomorrow for the downside. I love me some puts, but I'm not saying jump into puts right now, because this thing, if you look at this, it's super bullish. They are steady running. Just make sure you know where to get in at and where to get out if you are thinking about taking calls or puts. So they are over my VWAP. They're over my 200 EMA. They respecting the 9 and the 20. It looks good to me for a continuation, but we know how to pivot once they give us that area where we need to pivot at. But last but not least, guys, I'm going to throw SPY on the cards. If you see they're sitting at 584.60. If you are a bull, you want to see 585.40 get taken out. They can take out that. Boom, you come into 585.90. They break through that right there. You want to see this little bit of piece at 586.10 get taken out. They can take out that. They come into the next level. Let's just say 586.10. They break through that. You got another area of interest. Ideally would be sitting at 586.55, 586.70. But guys, these are all-time highs. I wouldn't play the upside at that point right there, because we know what happens when tickers make all-time highs. They pop, they continue to pop for a little bit, and then that rug pull is brutal, and you don't want to get caught up in that right there, because it will smack through them stop losses and burn you out. I'd wait for it to give you some history up in these areas right here, and then wait for a retest to, maybe the 9 EMA, maybe the 50 EMA, maybe even the 200. And then if you're thinking about trying to catch a ride back up, that's a beautiful place to catch it. Once they start coming back down to this 200, to try to boom it back up. Or even better, look for a formation setup. If they coming down and they forming that W and they going up and they getting rejected back down, wait for that last leg of that W and boom that thing right back up. Guys, pay attention. That's why you got to have so many different weapons as part of your arsenal. That way, once you see proper and good setups, you know how to dive in to make money, along with these other indicators that you have as part of your confluences. Whether if it's you following EMAs, my setups, or other people's setups, or other people that has charts that you're using, follow those, and whatever the confirmation is you see along with your plan, dive in. That takes me to my last ticker. Got something I want to share, but guys, man, it ain't no reason why we can't love on other traders that's out there doing their thing. And I see it. Sean, the Wolf Harris guy, you out there grinding. I see you staying in the lab, cooking up stuff for these traders out here to have extra confluences along with their trading game to make the game simple and for them to make money. What better ticker for you guys to add on your list? I've been looking at this ticker for probably about 2 weeks, been making money on it. So now I'm going to share it. So I know this is going to be a good one for you. What better ticker to add than the Wolf? If you look at this ticker, this is a little money maker. And newbies and beginners, you can eat on this too, because it's not high dollar. You can get into some good contracts and you can make some money. Look at these plays. Look at these plays. You get the chop, boom, and you can steal. You get the tweezers, boom, run it down, boom, got puts, run it up, boom, come down, boom. You get the chop, they get the chops. You already know they waiting for another breakout to the downside. Look at this play. This play has came all the way down to 15, boom that thing back to 17, drop back down to 15, and boom it all the way back up, 17.50 again, and then they dropping back down. So you can rinse and repeat this play. Look, have it identified on your Wolf chart. What better ticker to make money on your Wolf chart than the Wolf ticker? Let's go ahead and do the levels on this ticker. They're currently sitting at 16 even. If you are a bull, what you want to see is these tops at 16.25 get taken out. They can take out that right there. They're going to try to run it here at 16.85. You start seeing that breakthrough, you already know they're going to try to run it up to these tops at 1745. There you go for the upside. If you are a bear, what you want to see is these bottoms right here at 1575 get taken out. They can take out that right there. You got this turbulence at 1550, but they start losing that. They coming all the way back down to this stuff right in here where they started that pop at. Boom, 14 even. That's a money making play right there. But guys, you guys that's utilizing that wolf chart and you checking out D-Fresh's levels that I'm throwing out, what better cheat sheet to have for you guys that's already utilizing the wolf chart and you peeping those levels that I'm throwing out. Those levels are pinpoint accurate that I'm throwing out. If that is matching up with your levels and what your chart is saying and your confirmations all look good, no reason why you guys shouldn't be dominating the market and making money. When you put all that together, you get boom, you get that payday. So guys, I want to see you guys out there eating. I want to see you guys out there making money. So let's get it for tomorrow. Already excited for it, man. I'm looking forward to seeing all you guys. That's it for that ticker there, guys. Newbies and beginners, if you don't understand a chart before you go out grabbing a chart, learn candlestick formations, learn the basic setups of charts, learn EMAs, and once you understand that right there, the wolf chart is a good chart for you to be able to pay attention to and make money on. If you need the information on the wolf chart, it's in the link in the description below as well. Shout out to you, Sean the Wolf Harris, for out there staying in the lab, grinding for the people out there. I salute you. Keep grinding, bro. Guys, I done took enough of your time, but hey, if you like this kind of content, do me a favor, go ahead and hit that like button below, subscribe to the channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get the notification. If you like sniper type, level to level, periodic breakdowns of your favorite ticker, SPY, Nvidia, Tesla, Palantir, Hut, Hood, Nike, and the wolf. Do me a favor, go ahead and join me on my Discord. The link is in the description below. And as always, we grinding. Good luck out there, and let's get it.